Welcome to IsmailiBooks.com. Unlock the treasure of Ismaili knowledge, 200 plus books in one digital collection. Discover a rare and valuable collection of 200 plus Ismaili books available in both Urdu and English, carefully curated to preserve and share the rich spiritual, historical and intellectual heritage of the Ismaili tradition. This comprehensive PDF bundle provides a unique opportunity for seekers of knowledge, students, researchers and community members to access hard-to-find literature covering faith, philosophy, community history and the teachings of the Imamat. This collection includes a wide range of topics such as religious teachings, Farmans, Ginans, duas and spiritual reflections from the Imams of the time. Historical records, detailed documentation of the Ismaili Imamat, key historical events and community development, speeches and writings, thought-provoking speeches by His Highness the Aga Khan IV covering pluralism, development, education and ethics. Philosophy and Sufism, insights into Ismaili interpretations of Islamic philosophy, metaphysics and spiritual thought. Modern thought and ethics, books addressing faith in the modern world, identity, social responsibility and leadership. Youth and educational material, simplified text and educational resources for young minds and new learners. Urdu and English classics, a rare mix of traditional and modern works carefully selected to offer bilingual access to authentic knowledge. All books are in high-quality PDF format, organized and easy to navigate, compatible with mobile phones, tablets and computers. Whether you are conducting personal study, academic research or simply deepening your connection with your heritage, this collection brings a complete Ismaili library to your fingertips. No recurring charges, this is a one-time purchase and you get lifetime access to the entire digital bundle. To buy these books, please visit www.ismailibooks.com.